This is a lightning storm, and it's in Michigan. That's amazing. Farmington Hills, Oakland County, 48336, you know, zip code. Just me and my friend sitting out at my friend's house, spending the night, you know. Packed house, holy shiznits. Yep, it's pretty cool. There's like no noise. It's amazing because it's like lightning. Hello, winning. Moo. I'm a spider. I know. God.
It's pretty cool. You never see something like this. Like, usually it'd be still kind of sunny outside.
Yeah, it'd still be pretty light now.
I hope this goes on all night because I will be just sitting up.
Alright, well, yeah. I'm gonna get in the end of the video or whatever.